Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching MCQ for all competitive exam. All are previous year question, most important question are taken. Today's topic, nature of Indian economy in Indian economy. The term mixed economy denoted option A existence of both rural and urban sectors. Option B existence of both private and public sectors. Option C existence of both heavy and small industries. Option D existence of both developed and underdeveloped sectors. Answer is existence of both private and public sectors. In an economy, the sectors are classified into public and private on the basis of option A employment condition, option B nature of economic activities, option C ownership of enterprises, option D use of raw materials. Answer is ownership of enterprises. The dual economy is a mixture of option A traditional agriculture sector and modern industrial sector, option B industrial sector and manufacturing sector, option C state ownership of the means of production in corporation of foreign organization, option D industrial sector and trading of goods obtained through imports. Answer is traditional agriculture sector and modern industrial sector. Which sector of Indian economy has shown remarkable expansion during the last decade? Option A primary sector, option B secondary sector, option C tertiary sector, option D mining sector. Answer is tertiary sector. When development in economy take place, the share of tertiary sector in national income. Option A first fall and then rises. Option B the first rises and then falls. Option C keep on increasing. Option D remains constant. Answer is keep increasing. It will be the true to classify India as option A food deficit economy, option B a labor surplus economy, option C a trade surplus economy, option D a capital surplus economy. The mixed economy means option A where agriculture and industry are given equal importance, option B where public sector exists along with the private sector in national economy, option C where globalization is transferred with heavy dose of Swadeshi in national economy, option D where the central and states are equal partners in economic planning and development. Where public sector exists along with the private sector in national economy. In India, planned economy is based on option A Gandhian system, option B socialist system, option C capitalist system, option D mixed economy system. Answer is socialist system. Economic liberalization in India started with option A substantial changes in industrial licensing policy, option B the convertibility of Indian rupee, option C doing away with procedure formalities for foreign direct investment, option D significant reduction in tax rates.